welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. Every once in a while, we all want a dinner without having to go through tons of preparation or hours of standing in the kitchen and ending up with a load of dishes. I have just the right one-pot dinner recipe for you for such evenings. So let's begin with this creamy one-pot pasta.
The ingredients are on your screen. Some of them are optional. If you do use them, it just takes your pasta a notch higher, but without them, it still tastes really good. The quantities are given in the description box. You can choose to add these and any other vegetables to your pasta or even chicken and other meats. Now all we need to do is get a big pot or pan and put it all together. Heat the olive oil and the butter if you're using it. As soon as the butter has sizzled and melted, add in the flour. You can totally use whole wheat flour or skip it altogether. Adding this flour will just make your sauce a little thicker. Put in the garlic and let it cook for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then put in whatever vegetables that you're using and slightly season them. After this, cover them and cook them for some time. Add in the pasta, the olives and the dried pasta seasonings like oregano, black pepper, salt, and then the milk and cheese. Mix all of this, then pour in the cream, adjust the seasonings, cover and cook this on low to medium heat for about 8 to 12 minutes. The cooking time would really depend on the kind and the quantity of pasta that you're using. So it's a good idea to keep checking and stirring it up every few minutes. So here is your super easy one-pot pasta dinner bubbling away and ready to serve. How simple was that? You can have this pasta on its own because it's actually a complete dish. But if you want, just toast some plain or preferably garlic bread to go along. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. So till next time, bye-bye and enjoy your pasta.